Hello, welcome to the point of view stories for the race. Let's start. First, we will begin the story with since last month. So starting last month until now. Okay, since last month. Since last month, Alan has ridden his motorcycle every day in San Francisco. Each day, he has ridden down Van Ness Street and has come to a stoplight. And each day, a red Ferrari has pulled up next to him. Every time, the driver has been wearing dark sunglasses. He has looked over at Alan. Each time, Alan has looked over at the driver and has realized that the driver was Tom Cruise. Tom has always sneered at Alan, and he has always said, "When the light turns green, let's race." And each day, from 1 month ago until now, Alan has said, "All right, you're on." Then, Tom has always said, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." And then, Alan has always said, "You wish. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry-ass car." Then, starting 1 month ago, every day until now, each time Alan and Tom have waited at the light. Each time they have revved their engines, vroom, vroom, vroom. And each time, suddenly, the light has turned green. And each time, Alan and Tom have taken off. Each time, they have zoomed down Van Ness at top speed. And Tom has always been winning. Unfortunately, for Tom, every time blue and red lights have appeared behind Tom, and it has always been the police. And they have always pulled him over. Every time Alan has zoomed past Tom, laughing, and he has yelled every time, "Better luck next time." Alan has always been the winner. Okay, that is all of the story using the perfect tense, right? So starting 1 month ago, and then happening again and again and again until now. Okay, now the second version is the future. The future. Let's imagine this is a dream, or this is a movie idea for the future. So we'll start with next year. Next year, let's imagine. Next year, at 5 o'clock, Alan will be riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He'll be riding down Van Ness Street, and he'll come to a stoplight. A red Ferrari is gonna pull up next to him. The driver will be wearing dark sunglasses. He'll look over at Alan. Alan will look at him, and he'll realize that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom will sneer at Alan. He'll say, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan'll say, "All right, you're on." Tom'll say, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." Alan'll say, "You wish. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry-ass car." Alan and Tom will wait at the light. They'll rev their engines. Suddenly, the light's gonna turn green. Alan and Tom will take off. They'll zoom down Van Ness at top speed. Tom will be winning. But suddenly, blue and red lights will appear behind Tom. It'll be the police. They're gonna pull him over. Alan'll zoom past Tom laughing. He'll yell, "Better luck next time!" Ha ha ha! Alan will be the winner. Okay, in the future, you need to listen carefully, because in real speech, real conversation, we usually add ol to make the future. For example, Alan'll. That ol is short for will. Okay, we can say Alan will go. But in normal speech, fast speech, we usually say ol. Alan'll go. Alan'll go to the store. That's the future. We also say gonna instead of going to. Right? In books, you learn going to. I am going to go to the store. But in normal speaking, we use gonna. I'm gonna go to the store. I'll go to the store, or I'm gonna go to the store. So listen carefully to these future stories, these future versions. Okay, that is all for the point of view mini stories for The Race.